about the valuation. We talk about it a lot. Most business owners don't get a valuation done. They look at a profit and loss statement or their balance sheets or whatever, their bank account. And but anyway, but I want to talk a little bit about that, and what your thought was there, and just the points you were trying to make, Jeff, if you don't mind.
So, we were talking about a lot of important topics as it relates to business ownership, planning for an exit, or at least thinking about an exit, even if the horizon is long enough to not be actively planning. And my thoughts are over the 23 years that I've been fortunate to work with business owners is that part of planning is just knowing what your real baseline is. And a lot of business owners, if not the majority of them, don't worry about what's my business worth. They're looking at their cash flow. They're looking at their accounts receivable. They're looking at their accounts payable. They're growing their business with employees. They're trying to onboard clients, and we get that. But the opportunity that Scale to Sale brings to your clients in partnership with us is the ability to have business valuation services at no cost because of the referral that allow management to start thinking about the exit and maybe make some strategic changes in their operations to maximize that value. So the offer that we make as a team is that we will provide valuation services based on thousands and thousands, and I'm not exaggerating, of completed valuations on an annual basis, at minimum, more if it's appropriate, again, at no cost, so that the owner of businesses that choose to work with you know we're at $500,000, we're at $1 million, we're at 10 million, we're at 25 million, we're at 50 million, and provide consulting services or advice. I'm very often quoted as saying, I'm an advisor, I'm not a decider. The clients are the deciders, but I want to provide them with the information that they need that from our experience will maximize their value at exit. Again, whether that might be desired in 6 months, a year, 5 years, 10 years, it really doesn't matter the time frame. I think knowledge is power.